We currently stay up to speed with current military tactics. We would train what you would call, quick action or direct deployment, and it's as you stated, that's what we see in the Ukrainian battlefield. You have to be able to get into action, get rounds on the ground, and move very fast. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself under counter battery fire. It's a tactic we've been training for years. It's nothing new for us. And it's something we try to develop and hone within the Corps.
There's also a lot of kit that's being used now at the moment that's very advanced. There's GPS involved. There's all manner of different bits and pieces, and I think there have been some learnings from Ukraine that sort of high tech can be compromised.
Yeah, so as we spoke a little earlier, Niall, we train here in first principles first. So if you end up in a conventional warfighting scenario on a battlefield where the likes of GPS was a denied environment or satellites were denied, students here can fall back to first principles, and they understand how to deploy a gun using the basic methodology of deployment, triangulation of a gun position, getting down orders via radio, and getting rounds on the ground.